So today I'm about to show you guys this wig that I have on. It is from UNICE and she looks amazing. This is a Yaki straight texture and let's just get into the install. Let me just start off by saying that this wig ate down, okay? Now this is from UNICE. They did sponsor this video. Hey girl. So they sent me this package and it comes with everything that you see here in the packaging. What's some press on nails? Maybe one day I'll try those. I need y'all to come out with some square, not no taper coffin, okay? Because if they're square, I will probably wear them. But this is what the wig looks like straight out the package, and you can see the texture and the fullness, okay? It is pre-bleached, pre-plucked. The lace is cut for you, and as you can see, it is pre-bleached because the knots are kind of like brassy. And this new cap has your ear cut out, so it is very much comfortable for when you wear it. Now it does have this nice thick adjustable strap in there, so and you can remove it and put it back in whenever you want to, and I love that. And it does have the little slip grips, which I love also as well. So this is what she looks like straight out the pack, okay? Well, not straight out the pack. I did go in and pluck this a little bit, okay? I did not glue down my stocking cap, only because I am suffering from postpartum shedding, and I do not, and I mean it, I do not want to aggravate them edges even more than I already am. So I am going to go in with my Ruby Kisses in the shade 16, and I'm going to put that all over the lace, and as you can see, she is looking amazing and silky. Oh my god. Now I love Yaki straight because it mimics my natural hair texture when I don't have to wear my natural hair out, okay? And I love Yaki straight because it's a thicker texture in which you could get away with a lower density, and then that makes you have a lighter wig, a more flowier wig, and I just love that. I love the texture. I love everything about it. Look at this. It just looks so amazing. So I'm going to go in with my hot comb and just make sure she's flat because I'm from Los Angeles and we love a nice flat wig. Do you feel me? Okay. So I am going to go in and give myself some baby hairs. I'm going to do like probably 2 rounds of baby hairs in this video. So this first one, look at that. Oh my god, it looks good. If I used glue, this melt would have been off the charts. Do you hear me? So anyway, I'm going to use my my Red by Kiss spray. This is the pink can. I love the pink can, okay? And I'm going to blow dry it so it can get tacky. And then I'm going to lay the lace down and I'm going to blow dry it until it's fully dry. And then I am going to go in and do that with the following side. So once both of the sides are down, I'm going to go in with a little bit of spray on the edge, rat tail comb, and I'm going to lay those edges of the lace down because I don't know, when it comes to me with the edges and using adhesive spray, like mine's just does not lay down as good as I want to. So I typically go in with like some any type of glue. The glue I normally use is boho active, and I'll just go in and use the smallest amount on the edge of the lace to just lay that down and make sure that it does not flap up, and that usually does the trick. But I wasn't keeping this wig on for a super long time. It was just for the day, so I was just like, okay, let me just do this. So I didn't want baby hairs this day. I was just wanting some hairs that would just lay down and look natural. But I did end up going in a following day and doing baby hairs, and you're going to see them later on in this video. Once everything is laying down, I am going to take some spray on the back of my hand and I'm going to push it into the lace, and then I'm going to take my melting band and let it melt for a couple of minutes, and then it'll be ready to wear. Now, I don't know where the footage went of me showing you the final product of this install, but I did go back in and I added more baby hairs, as you can see.
And so this is what she is looking at. I did go in and plug it a little more, like I said, and this is what she's looking like. And I love this install. Like, this hair is just flowy and it has a lovely luster. And if you are interested in this unit, you can find this on UNICE website. I'll have it linked down below for you guys. And if you have any questions or concerns, you could definitely leave them in the comment section. Now, this lace is large enough so you can do like a half up, half down little get down. So I just wanted to show you that right there too. It just looks so good. Oh my God. Yes.
On the beat.